Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an income tax exemption certificate online. First, ensure you meet the specific eligibility requirements for your exemption type. Next, collect all required documents, such as identification, financial statements, and any supporting evidence. Finally, navigate to the designated government website to begin the application process. This online method is the only way to submit your request efficiently and securely. Eligibility for income tax exemption varies significantly. Generally, nonprofit organizations, charities, and certain educational institutions can apply. Individuals might qualify based on specific income thresholds or unique circumstances. You will typically need to provide documents like your organization's articles of incorporation, bylaws, and financial records. For individuals, proof of income and specific qualifying conditions are essential. Make sure all your information is accurate. Once you're on the official tax authority website, the first step is to create a secure user account. This usually involves providing an email address and setting up a strong password. After logging in, locate the income tax exemption application form. Carefully fill out all sections, ensuring every detail is correct and complete. Finally, upload your prepared supporting documents in the specified digital formats. Double-check everything before submission to avoid delays. After completing all sections and uploading documents, take a moment to review your entire application. Confirm that all information is accurate and no required fields are missed. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation and a unique reference number. Use this number to track the status of your application online. The processing time can vary, so regular checks are advisable. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.